Okay guys, we're out flying the FliteTest Simple Scout. I have it set up with the 4-channel setup, so I have ailerons, rudder, elevator, throttle, of course. I'll put a link in the description where you can see more information about the FliteTest Simple Scout in the description below. If you guys have not subscribed to my channel, now would be a cool time. Hit the subscribe button and click the little bell notification. That way when I upload videos, you will know when I'm uploading videos. So let's throw the battery in. FliteTest Simple Scout, and let's take her for a flight. I'm flying the plane on a 3-cell 1300 milliamp battery, and with this battery the CG is perfect. So let's see how she flies inverted. When inverted, just a little bit of down elevator is required.